Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janelle, and this week I'm going to try out the Silkn Beautiful Technology Flash and Go Express Hair Removal. So we're going to test this out and see if it's actually painful or not, because I feel like these things would just, they would hurt a little bit. They would. So we're going to test this out and do an unboxing and see how this all works out. So within the box, you have this little container, which I guess is good. Then you can keep it in here forever. And oh, Scotchy, you wanna try this out? You do have a lot of hair. No, we would never do that to you. No animals have been hurt during this video. I found the instructions. Set up, remove from box, check. Plug in the adapter cord. You're not gonna like this thing, are you? And then we're gonna charge it here. This is what we're testing out today, and what it is a laser hair removal system that you can use at home. Within a 20-minute period, apparently you can do your whole body hair removal with this. I don't believe you can use it with it not plugged in, so you always have to have it plugged in and see the light turns off. So you can see as it's going around, there is that one little orange light. So if you hold it down, a fan type sound will come on, and that means it's ready to go. And then you can start with level 1, and then if you keep pressing, it changes the levels. And then you just hold it and it'll turn off. So now that we have it all plugged in, and like I said, it's charging. So now we choose the area that we want to treat, and I'm going to test it on my legs. The skin of the treatment area should be shaved, clean, dry, and free of any powders, deodorants, and all that fun stuff. Do not wax, plug, or tweeze the hair out. Ooh, and it's a bright light. I feel like it's a little, I don't want to look at it, but it doesn't hurt. I'm on 1 and I'm just still going. It's like a little bit of heat, like as you keep going, but I mean, it's not bad at all. We should probably turn it up a little bit then, eh? So now we're on level 3. And there's just a big button right here that you see, and you just hold it down. And it does not hurt at all. I'm on level 3 right now, and there's nothing. Like, I don't even feel that much heat or anything with it. This is really cool. So you just keep going all around your treated area. And they do recommend, I did test this before I put it on video, but you are supposed to test an area and wait 24 hours to make sure nothing blisters or anything like that. So definitely try that before you go ahead and do like your whole leg like I am doing. We're going to turn it up a notch. It sounds so intense. Turn it up a notch. So as mentioned, we're on 4. This is the first time we're trying it on level 4, and let's see what happens. Still does not hurt at all. It's a little more, it's just hotter at this temp, like at level 4. And you just keep going. So as I keep going with level 4, I can definitely feel it getting warmer, and there's more of like a heat sensation. So if you're really sensitive to heat or that type of stuff, then you might feel a little more sensitivity with it. But I mean, it's not unbearable at all. Like, it lasts like a second. There might be like kind of like a little like prick feeling, a tiny bit, but like not even. It's not bad at all. So we're gonna try level 5 now, because we're already at 4, so we might as well just go big or go home right now. So we're at level 5. I'm gonna try that up here now and see how this one feels. Still not bad. Like I said, the higher the temperature you go, the more heat you feel, and that's really the only like feeling that you get from it. Other than that, there's really nothing. I know I mentioned kind of like a prick before, but it's really just a feeling of like heat. I don't know how else to explain it. It's just like a warm sensation for like a split second, and then it's gone. And if you find it does start maybe like hurting a little bit, you could give it a little break, and then I feel like this would cool down, and then it wouldn't be as hot. This is so easy. No pain and all the gain. final verdict of this product is I think it's definitely good. It definitely will save you money down the line because you won't be going to the salon and doing all that kind of stuff. So it's really cool, and I'm gonna keep trying this ad, so stay tuned for updates. I'll let you guys know on my Instagram and things like that, just like how it's working and just my opinion of it overall. So make sure you follow me on Instagram for those updates. As always, let me know in the comments below if you've tried this product before and what you think of it. And please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as I'm back every week with more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.